Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't you just love my singing? Okay, so today I'm coming at you with my Ipsy bag. It finally came. I don't know why, but all my subscription boxes this month were lagging behind. I was craving them. I'm so happy to have you in my life. If you don't know what Ipsy is, it is a $10 a month subscription that you can get deluxe size and sometimes full size products, whether it be makeup, skincare, lip products, that kind of thing. So we're gonna do a try on style, which is my first time doing it, so I'm kind of excited. So I have looked in here to see exactly what makeup I needed to put on prior. So right now I have primer. I'm testing a new foundation, so stay tuned for that video. But I have primer, foundation, powder, concealer, and bronzer on. So does that give you an idea of what we have in the box, or the bag, may I say? So this month it came in a very coral and yellow bag, which is so cute and summery and so fun. And it's got little tassels here. Normally it'll say like Ipsy, but this one don't say anything, but it's got a little yellow tassel. Very nice to just throw in your beach bag or your pocketbook to keep your makeup separated. But yeah, so let's see what we got in our bag this month. I think the first thing we're gonna pull out is my favorite highlight. So this is the Ciate London Glow 2 highlighter. And that's what it looks like. That's what the box looks like. I'm excited. I love highlighters. They're my fave. Does it say what color it came in? So this one looks like it's in a magnetic pan, which is good. You can take and pop that out and it'll go into your, oh my goodness. I can't even think of the name of it. Are you kidding me? It will go into your magnetic pan. What is it called? Z palette. It'll go in your Z palette. So this is, oh my goodness, I've done and dropped it. Like if y'all knew how many things I dropped, oh gosh, I'm getting it everywhere. But this one is in the name Moon Dust. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's like this champagne-y, oh, it feels like butter. Oh my God, look, it is gorgeous. Oh yes. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply it. Did I even get my, be right back, let me get my highlighting brush. Okay, so I use the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush because because I like to work it in the cheekbones. So I'm gonna bring y'all a little bit closer. Welcome to my face. Can y'all see? I hope that's coming off good now. So I'm gonna take it dry. I'm gonna just tap, 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 tap. Whoa, look how beautiful. Oh gosh, that is gorgeous. My favorite highlighter at the moment is by Wet n Wild. It's their new Zodiac collection. Look for that video. I will have it coming very soon. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. How beautiful is that? Look. Oh, it's gorgeous. And make sure when you're putting it on to work it into the skin. It always looks better that way. And I think I'm gonna take it up a notch, and on this side I'm gonna spray a little bit of setting spray. I love it. And then I'm gonna put a little bit on my brush. So I'm gonna take it again and I'm gonna tap off the excess, and then I'm gonna spray my brush. Let's see if we can intensify it a little bit more. Oh yes, look at that. Okay, Ciate London, I see you. Very beautiful. So no matter if you're doing it wet or dry, it is still gorgeous. Okay, let's tap some down the nose. And on the Cupid's bow. I love putting it on the Cupid's bow. I just think it's so pretty. Oh God, I could just bathe in highlight. I love it. How gorgeous is that? Okay, so that's the first thing that we've got in our bag. I don't know why I want to keep saying box. I think it's because this is my BoxyCharm. Okay, so let's put you back. Let's see what else we got. What else is in the box? Okay, so the next thing I have is a bag. It looks like it's Pixie. And Pixie sold on the website as well as Target. This one is, ooh, that light is so bright. Let's see. This one is Beach Rose Fresh Face Blush. They always put this stupid packaging, these tape on it. Let's break our teeth. Trying to get it off. Okay, so that looks a little bit like the blush that I like by, I'm having a brain freeze today. Do you notice that? I always have brain freezes. It is by Burt's Bees. Burt's Bees has their honeycomb blushes, and it almost looks like that. It's like a dusty rose. On camera, it's not coming up as a dusty rose. It's almost looking like a coral, but it is dusty rose. And so I'm going to take and put a little bit on my Duo Fiber brush. Can you see that? It's kind of powdery. Okay, that's cute. I like that. It'll go with a lot of looks. I like a lot of blush. I just think it brings the whole look together. It brings you life. Oh yeah, I like. Okay, I'll see you, Petra. Come on, Pixie. Okay, what's next in our bag? Okay, so far I'm like, okay, highlight check, blush check. What else we got? Okay, so this is foiled again. So this is the Balm. The Balm just come out with an eyeshadow palette. It's called Foiled again. It's got a lot of their colors in there. But this here looks like it is a silvery color. Very, very pigmented. Okay, so it almost looks like it's purple in a way. So in my crease, I have the Spice palette by Rimmel. I have a whole review coming out on all three of the palettes. I have the Spice, the Crimson, and the, oh, I can't remember the other one, but it's like the blue greens, but that's coming very soon as well. But yeah, this one here is almost like a purpley color. So in my crease, I have this color right here. This color right here in my crease. And I have the white color right here on my brow bone. So let's take this on a synthetic flat brush like this. And we're just gonna pick a little up on our brush. I might have to use it wet. Oh wow, okay. Maybe I don't have to use it wet. That is beautiful. Anybody else, when you're putting on makeup, you always have to have your mouth open? Is that weird? Guys, this is gorgeous. Oh wow. I am very impressed. How beautiful is that? Oh my goodness. Hey, you know what? I might have to actually get this palette, the whole palette. I mean, this here is like a tease. How beautiful. And this is just a plain, this is by Scone. This is just a blending brush. Nothing on it. So let's do the other eye. Okay then. I am like, what? I'm so excited. Let's take a little bit of that, where did it go? The highlight. And put it in our inner corner as well. I'm making a mess. Let's take a little bit of our highlight. Is that even showing up in the corner? Come on now. There we go. And I have a little bit on my brow bone, but hey, let's add a little bit more. That is beautiful. Look how gorgeous that is. I am so excited. Okay, what else do we have in our bag? Now, this is the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. I forgot this actually, I thought it went on your lips, but it don't. It's actually like a lotion, a moisturizer. It goes on your face, so I do apologize. I didn't get a chance to use this, but let me take the foil off. It smells so good, and it's just like a clear, but it smells so good. It smells just like watermelon. So I will leave in the description bar when I use this and let you know how I actually like it. All right, next in the box we have Huda Beauty Liquid Matte. And I was so impressed to see this in our box, in our Ipsy bag this month. Like, wow. When you see big brands like this in your bag, it's like, you know, that itself paid for the box. But this here is in color Liquid Matte Lipstick in Flirt. Now, I don't necessarily go for these types of colors. It smells good enough to eat, but that's what it looks like. It's almost like a nudie brown, but hey, I got Bomb on right now, so let's see. Yeah, I don't think colors like this look good on me. But hey, if you can rock it, go for it. But that's what it looks like on my lips. I look crazy. So I'm gonna put on my mascara and I will be right back. So yeah, I'm gonna put on my mascara and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I put L'Oreal Voluminous Lash on my for my mascara. I did, was that all? I think that was it. I just took the Crimson palette and put that same color that I put in the crease on my lower lash line. And I used Wet n Wild, the pink in my waterline, and yeah, that's it. And I think it turned out great. Let me come a little bit closer. Like, the highlight is popping, like, hello. And I love this blush. And I don't normally go for this type of lip color, but I mean, I like it. I think it would be gorgeous in fall. Like, I'm all about that lip color. I normally would have never chose that for myself. So see, this is why I like these type of bags or subscription services, because you try things that you normally wouldn't go out and buy for yourself, but then you realize, hey, it don't look that bad on me, and I think it looks really, really good. So yeah, let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag. What was your favorite products? Would you ever wear this color or anything similar to it? Let me know down below. Make sure to like the video if you like these types of videos. Be on the lookout. I have some really good videos coming up, and make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe because you want to see the videos, right? Right. All right, guys, I love you. Thank you so much for supporting me, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.